Hey guys! Welcome back to the Crypto Hook channel. Finally, the Tron Keeper Airdrop, which was supposed to start today, has begun allowing withdrawals of USDT and TRX. This is exciting news for all of us. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to withdraw your USDT to an exchange like Binance, BitGet, or others. So, make sure to watch this video from the beginning to the end without skipping anything. Let's not waste any time and jump straight into it. Opening the Tron Keeper Airdrop interface. First off, if you try to open the Tron Keeper Airdrop interface right now, it might not load. You may see a black screen or no content displayed at all. Don't worry about this. This is just a temporary issue. According to the latest update, the Tron Keeper Airdrop interface will be available in about 2 hours. Once it's live, you'll be able to access it without any issues. Viewing your USDT balance. Once the airdrop interface is live, you'll see your dashboard. Here, your available USDT balance will be displayed. This balance represents the amount of USDT you've received through the airdrop. When you decide to withdraw your USDT, it will show up in your Received Amount section after processing. Let's go through the steps to withdraw it. How to withdraw your USDT. 1. Claim your USDT. On the Tron Keeper dashboard, locate the Claimed button. Click on the Claim Me button. This will open up a new interface displaying your USDT balance. 2. Copy your receive address. To withdraw, you need to enter a receive address. Let me show you how to get it. Open the Binance exchange or any exchange of your choice. Log into your Binance account and navigate to the Wallet section. You'll find this option in the top right corner. 3. Navigate to the Deposit option. In the Wallet section, look for the Funding tab and click on it. Next, click on the Deposit button. A new interface will appear. In the search bar, type USDT and select it from the list of options. 4. Select the TRC20 network. After selecting USDT, you'll see multiple network options. Choose the TRC20 network, Tron network, as it's faster and has lower fees. Once selected, your USDT deposit address will be displayed. Copy this address. This is the address where your USDT will be sent. 5. Paste the address in Tron Keeper. Return to the Tron Keeper interface. Paste the copied address into the Receive Address box. Double-check the address to ensure it's correct. Once confirmed, click on the Submit button. 6. Gas fees and withdrawal options. After submitting, you'll see 2 payment options for gas fees. 1. Pay with TON/TRX tokens. 2. Pay 100 TRX. This is where things get tricky. To withdraw your USDT, you must pay a gas fee. Unfortunately, this fee is not deducted from the airdropped USDT but must be paid separately. Is the gas fee reasonable? To give you an idea, the current price of 1 TRX is around 5.6 Indian rupees. For 5 TRX, the cost is approximately 28 Indian rupees. If you choose the option to pay 100 TRX, this amounts to roughly 560 Indian rupees. For many users, this fee may seem excessive, especially since it's charged upfront. Ideally, the airdrop organizers could deduct the gas fee from the airdropped amount, but unfortunately, this isn't the case. Should you proceed with the withdrawal? Considering the gas fee requirement, I would recommend waiting for further updates before proceeding. The situation raises concerns about whether this airdrop is entirely legitimate or if it's designed to profit off users through gas fees. If you're willing to take the risk and pay the fee, you can withdraw your USDT. However, if you're unsure, it's better to hold off until more clarity is provided. Value